Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the squeeze momentum indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 243 indicators. And out of those 243 indicators, 92 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of those 92 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, so today's indicator, we will be testing the squeeze momentum indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, so like I said, today we will be testing the squeeze momentum indicator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. It's a pretty simple setup. We have a blue line and a red line. When the blue line crosses down below the red line, that is a signal to go short. When the blue line crosses up above the red line, that is a signal to go long. And that is pretty much how we will be testing it today. Like I said, it's relatively simple. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing process and see what we can get out of this. So no signal yet. Looks like it's narrowing in on itself. There we go. Pick up a signal right there. Right, let's see. So I'm looking at my coordinates over here on the side. Looks like the signal actually takes place right there on that one. So that is 0222 and 0210. This one's 0210 and 0212. And so the blue line had officially crossed right there on this candle. And you see that it got us to profit rather nicely there. So far, so good. Let's continue on with it here. And I am going to see if there... Yeah, let's do that. The creator of the indicator did not reference the crosses that I just made invisible on screen. The creator basically said the red line and the blue line cross is the signals to enter and exit, and so that is how I am testing it according to the directions there. All right, let's see. So right there is a break even, and right there on that one is the signal to go short. And it looks like once again that got us to take profit rather easily. All right, so we will have to be mindful of areas like this. Let's see what happens. So we pick up a long right there, and almost immediately it drops underneath, then pops back above, then drops back underneath before finally getting a pop to the upside. Let's see, I don't think it was actually that one. Let's see, it was not, it was that one there. For finally getting this pop to the upside, which then got us to take profit. So that is a shame that we just took a streak of losing trades there, but that doesn't necessarily mean that we won't be able to get to the 60%. So let's hang tight and keep plugging out some trades here and see what happened. Let's see. Pick up a signal right there. It's a short, but unfortunately it looks like measure that out one more time just to be safe. Yeah, 54, then it reverses right there, hitting our stop before taking off in the direction we wanted to go in the first place. And so that is unfortunate. Continue on here. We pick up a long signal right there. That one gets us to take profits. All right, continue on with it here. Short signal right there. It's going to be real tight, but it does get us to take profit. Same over here. Looks real tight, but gets us to take profit again. So what we need is some more winning trades to wash out that losing streak that took place there. Right there we get a short signal. That one definitely did not come at the correct timing there. Then along there, also the same thing, really bad timing. Then we pick up a short here, which does work out in our favor. Rather decent timing. Continue to play it on. See long here. Actually, let's double check the coordinates. 7, and let's see, so not quite there. It was actually on, let's see, we're actually in negative territory at this point, so 97 is actually over that one, so yes, everything's reversed now, so that one does get us to take profit. Nice. And a short right here. that one, which did not work out for us. Went almost immediately up. Pick up a long right there. That one does pretty decent. Getting close to the end of the year. Play out some signals here a little bit quicker. Looks like right here we pick up a short. That one does good. Right here we pick up a long. That one does good. Might actually be back there, but that's okay. There's plenty of room for that one to move. When the market's moving, this indicator does really good. It's when it's kind of chopping along, not making a lot of moves, like most indicators, that it really starts to put stress on it. And a short signal, actually that was a long, and that one pretty much immediately went to the downside. That one got a pullback almost instantly. Let's see if we pick up one more long there. All right, so that will do it. Yep, that will do it there officially. The end of the year. So that is the squeeze momentum there. Let's add these up and see what we get out of it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. So we have 23 trades all together. There we go, get that tongue twister out. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 winning trades. So unfortunately, this is not going to meet the 60% criteria. This one was looking really decent at the beginning, and again, when there is movement in the market, it does really well. It's when we hit these moments of choppiness and even some areas where it really shouldn't be giving us the signal that it tends to throw some odd signals. So unfortunately, it's not going to work out for us. It's going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.